Hello, today we are going to learn how to use the maximum function in Excel. Supposing you have these numbers, if you want to find the biggest number or the maximum number among these numbers, so you click any of the cells, then you type your equal to sign, then you type the word max, M-A-X, then you bring your open bracket, then you click on the first number, you bring comma, you click on the second number, you bring comma, you click on the third number, you bring comma, you click on the next number, you bring comma, you click on the next number, you bring comma, click on the last number, then you close the bracket, then you press the enter key. So 56 is the maximum or the biggest number among these numbers. You can also use another way. You type your equal to sign, then you type max, then you open the bracket, then you click on the first number, then you press and hold the shift key on the keyboard, then you bring your colon, then you click on the last number. So you see equal to max, bracket open, first number, that is B4, colon, the last number, then you close the bracket, then you press enter. So 56 is the maximum or the biggest number among these numbers. Thank you.